Welcome back everybody. So today we are going to be talking about these. We are going to be talking about the new EasyWood negative rake beading cutters. So let's quickly head over to the lathe and let's get started. Right, we're over at the lathe. We've got a little piece of oak on here, so we're going to quickly put a little bit of a shape onto this, and then we can start talking about the new cutters. So let's quickly get some shape, and yeah, we'll quickly speed through this. So let's get on. Alright, we've got all this turned and shaped. Let's get all the cutters set up, ready to display. Alright, see you in a minute. Okay, so we have we actually have the 1/4" cutter on at the moment. You have an option of also a 1/8, a 3/16, and a 3/8 cutter as well. They fit all of the roughers going from the Easy Starter, the Mini, and the mid size. I've got this on my Mini tool. So yeah, so a little bit of news. So you want the tool rest as close as possible with the cutter dead on centre. So when you're doing it, you want to keep the tool rest on centre, like I said, and you want to keep the tool completely parallel to the floor. Okay, obviously, just like when you're doing any other turnings, you want to make sure the wood is totally secure. So now what we want to do is we want to kind of gauge roughly where we want the beads to go. So let's turn the lathe on pretty slow. So let's say we want to start it about there. Let's say, okay. Alright, so now what you want to do is you just want to plunge the cutter in until the bead has formed all the way around, and then all you do is just move on to the next one. So let's get on until we've covered. Alright, let's move on. So I'm going about 800 here. So let's see how we get on. So let's take a quick look. So there you go. You can see just there how it's perfectly rounded off, and look at that. No tear out, no nothing. So let's move up the blank and do the rest. So there we have an awesome beaded oak. Well, it's not quite a vase yet because we haven't hollowed it out. We can do that a bit later on, but there we go, have an awesome outside profile, lovely and beaded, and I'll say that would be an awesome project. But that's not another awesome feature of these cutters. They are also negative rake, which also means they work on to resins as well. So let's get a piece of resin knocked up into the lathe, and we'll see how that gets on, shall we? Alright, so we just got a pen blank here made out of resin. So we're just going to get this round, and then we're going to see how they perform on resin. So here we go, let's get this turned round. Alright, so we've got it all turned round. So let's say for example you're doing a pen, a bottle stopper, but you just want to add a nice little extra sum to the to your project. Well, this one in particular, we've got the 1/8 cutter on here, obviously negative rake. So I've got the lathe set at about 800. So yeah, we're gonna see how it performs on some resin. So here we go. Obviously you keep your tool rest close and you use it exactly the same as if it was on wood. You keep the tool completely parallel to the floor, cutter on centre, tool rest close. You don't need to force it in there really hard. Just let the cutter do the work. And that is working like a gem. And obviously you do your sanding. Whack a bit of Yorkshire Grit on there. In actual fact, let's whack a bit of Yorkshire Grit on there now. There we go. It's not even with any sanding. Look at that. No chip out, no nothing. Look at that. That's a 12 out of 10 for me, them cutters. Absolutely brilliant. Alright, I will leave all the appropriate links down in the description. I'll even leave the instructions on how to use them. So yeah. Thanks for everybody for watching. Until the next video, I'll see you next time.